This is an invisible stand case. It makes your iPad Pro float in the air, bringing you a whole new experience while using the iPad Pro. We call it MOFT Float. The design inherits the philosophy of MOFT. Stand it up easily whenever needed and then fold it back quickly when you don't. We made it with a truly floating design by the hinge structure to offer adjustable height. It's the highest height you can get among all portable stand-and-case. It also allows for unlimited viewing angles up to 130 degrees. All that flexibility, and we still kept it lightweight and slim. With MOFT Float, you won't bend your neck down for hours. Work comfortably at all times. 3 functional modes make sure the MOFT Float fits all your needs and different styles at every step of the way. In floating mode, it allows you to display your iPad at eye level for Zoom meeting or double screen working and watching Netflix. You'll never know how good it will feel. Want to do some sketching? No problem. Quickly adjust the base to the stable mode. Now, you can immerse yourself in creation while enjoying a seamlessly stable experience. Then adjust to portrait mode. You can use your iPad to comfortably read hands-free. We made available the perfect Bluetooth folding keyboard companion. MOFT Float provides you with superior height and the ultimate typing experience. Make anywhere your office. MOFT was designed to be lightweight and portable, while our soft edge materials make it easy to install for work and uninstall for matching other accessories. And with our powerfully designed hinge structure, even after 8,000 tests, it stays as smooth and flexible as new. We also prepared a superb magnetic Apple Pencil holder to provide full protection from head to toe. You can easily attach the holder onto the MOFT iPad stand case. MOFT Float allows you to work anywhere with good posture and without the pain. Just like all our products do at MOFT. Less weight, more freedom. Back us today to change the way you use your iPad forever.
Introducing Rubanmaster, the all-in-one device for laser cutting, engraving, and SLA 3D printing. With highest precision and fast speed, Rubanmaster will help you turn your imagination into reality. Are you a creator working on prototypes, or just have fantasies and lots of ideas about what you would like to build? Rubanmaster is the perfect device for do-it-yourselfer as well as semi-professional and professional users. The limitless opportunities will help to boost your creativity and inspire you. Rubanmaster provides astonishing high-resolution 3D printing quality with a laser movement accuracy of 0.005 millimeters and 600 millimeters per second laser speed, 3 times faster than typical SLA printers. And it's so easy to set up. Just flip it to change from printing to cutting or engraving mode. You can cut or engrave paper, wood, leather, fabric, cardboard, non-transparent acrylic, and many other materials. With 2.5 watt laser power, Rubanmaster is up to 3 times faster than other laser engravers and cutters, providing you an incredible surface finish and fine details. Rubanmaster is designed very user-friendly and comes with our customized software. You can easily connect through Wi-Fi or load your files on a USB and print, cut, or engrave directly from there. And it's all open source, giving you even more opportunities to customize and develop. Our mission is to create an affordable device for everyone that brings more fun to people and boosts their creativity, helping them to get closer to their dreams. Rubanmaster is an innovative and versatile product that is enjoyable and affordable and allows you to create real objects. Are you a creator? Then bid for your Rubanmaster now and start to turn your ideas into reality.
If you could design your own e-bike, how would you do it? Would it be classy, sexy, or perhaps a bold new design that's elegant yet functional? Want to know more? Introducing ReeVo, the hubless e-bike. You'll be turning heads with ReeVo's amazingly unique design. The patent-pending hubless wheels are crafted from aerospace-grade alloys and engineered for maximum durability. ReeVo also rides and handles exceptionally well, thanks to a strong lightweight core. Feel the need for speed? Simply rev the throttle and watch the world slow down. ReeVo's powerful electric drivetrain will get you around in no time. Or, if you prefer, use the incredibly clever pedal assist that adapts to road gradient and provides you with a gentle boost that feels so natural. Ever feel anxious about leaving your bike alone? We feel you. Simply use your fingerprint to lock the bike. A strong wheel lock deploys automatically, out of reach from bolt cutters. No more carrying bulky chains around. An intelligent motion detector activates when the bike is parked. It sounds an alarm and notifies you when someone tries to move your ReeVo. But we didn't stop there. An integrated GPS also anchors the bike to its parking spot and lets you track its location in real time. Your ReeVo is yours and yours alone. The interplay between light and shadow is a key pillar of our design philosophy. Our designers worked hard to make ReeVo a piece of art that looks as amazing at night as it does during the day. And we've also equipped ReeVo with the technology to get you around safely at night, with automatic LED headlamps, integrated brake lights, and blinking turn signals. So, commute in style with ReeVo, the hubless e-bike that's wonderfully engineered to make every ride exceptional. It's time to upgrade your ride. ReeVo is now ready for mass production. We need your help to achieve our minimum order quantities and deliver ReeVo into your hands. This is everything you need in an e-bike. This is 5 years of development, hard work and love in a single elegant package that we're proud to introduce to you today. This is ReeVo.